In this video, I will show you how you can get paid $5 over and over again by using 5 different websites that will pay you to watch videos. And you can do this to make $20 or even $200 every single day just by logging into each website and watching videos. Of course, the more apps you use, the more money you will make. And the great thing about this method is there are no limits to how much you can actually earn. You can use either a smartphone or a computer, and you can get paid by PayPal, bank transfer, Bitcoin and many other payment methods. So make sure you do pay close attention and do not skip ahead through the video so you can learn about all 5 websites and how to use them to get paid a ton of money every single day. So with that being said, let's jump into this amazing new method to make money online. The first website I want to show you how to make money online by simply watching videos is called Feature Points. So you may have heard of this website, and what I want to show you today is inside my account where you can see proof of my earnings that I have made with this website. This app is free on the Google Play Store and the iTunes Store, and you can access this from anywhere in the world. And one thing I want to mention is that they have been around since 2012 and are still going strong. There are a number of ways you can make money in addition to watching movies, which include getting cashback and joining contests and surveys. But in this video, we'll be just focusing on watching movies as it is the fastest, easiest and most high paying ways to make money with this website. To sign up for a free account, all you need to do is simply enter your email address and then click the sign up now button. So next I want you to pay close attention as I will be going into my account and I will actually show you exactly how I am doing it before you go ahead and try it yourself. So I've actually been continuously withdrawing a lot of money on this website and I'm still making money every single day. You can even start playing the video on your computer or phone and leave it playing in the background and you will still earn money. Of course, this is amazing because it allows you to make money passively with not much effort. So as I mentioned earlier, you can use a bank transfer to withdraw your money, but I do prefer to use PayPal and this is why. If I come over here and click onto cash, you can select any amount you want for PayPal. So in this example, I will select $10. So as you can see, I can exchange 3,000 points for $10. So what I'm going to do next is click onto redeem reward, and then I will be asked to confirm if I want to redeem this reward. After doing this, I will next need to confirm my password to authorize the payment. And it is as simple as that. So there is an area here called offers where you will find some well-known companies like for example OfferToro, which have a great reputation for paying people to watch videos. And if you take a look, you will see you can earn up to 3,000 points, which of course can be exchanged for $10. Now at this point I want to share with you a secret bonus trick, so listen carefully. If you have a number of computers and smartphones, then what you can do is open up multiple browser tabs on all of them and you can watch numerous videos all at the same time. So generally what I do is I open around 4 tabs using Google Chrome, and what I do is just leave the videos playing in the background whilst I carry on doing other things. So just think for a moment about how awesome it would be to have these videos playing and maybe go to the gym or go out with friends or even sleep, and whilst you are doing this you are getting paid. I mean, who doesn't want to get paid to sleep? The great thing is the money actually adds up very fast and of course is a completely passive way to make money. And one great thing is of course you don't need any special skills or talents to do this, as you are just getting paid to watch videos. Now make sure you don't go anywhere because in just a moment I will be revealing a couple more websites and apps that if you combine will enable you to make double, triple or even 5 times as much money as you would just using this one. But before we do go any further, if you are enjoying this video, then be sure to give the video a like to help this get out to more people, and make sure you do hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay up to date with the latest and easiest ways to make money online. With that being said, let's get back to it and talk about the second app. The second app is actually called App Nana, which you can download on both an Android and an iPhone. This app will enable you to do a variety of things to earn money, like playing games, surveys and watching videos. To earn money, you will be using a point system similar to the first app, and on this system it's called Nana Points, which you can earn and then convert into real and actual cash money. Once you earn enough nanopoints, you can then convert and withdraw your earnings by PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer, bank transfer, and even cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. In addition to this, there are a number of other methods to get paid. So you can also join their affiliate program to make even more money by clicking this link to be taken to a site where you can fill in some details and get signed up. It's very easy to do, it just takes a minute, and to make money doing this, all you have to do is share your code. You can post the code on things like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, or wherever you like, and anyone that clicks your link will make you even more money. So by doing this, of course, you will have another stream of income. The third website I want to show you is called MyPoints, which I absolutely love. The reason I love this website so much is because you actually get paid $15 just to sign up for free as a welcome bonus. To sign up, all you have to do is enter your email and password and click the Join Now button to get started. With this website, there are also more ways to earn money in addition to watching videos. One thing I want to mention at this point is that some videos you watch will pay higher than others, and in just a moment I will show you which ones are the best to watch to make the most amount of money, so make sure you do stick around and don't go anywhere. But before I do that, let's take a look at the next app, which is called App Traders. So this app has actually been around for years and is a very popular app, and they have recently added an update where you can make money watching videos. And they've actually increased how much money you can earn to watch videos, which is incredible. So you are definitely going to want to get signed up to take advantage of this opportunity. The best way to make the most money with this is to have between 3 to 5 videos playing at once, which you can do by opening up multiple tabs on your internet browser. And the final app I want to share with you today is called Creation Rewards. Similar to MyPoints, these guys also give you a sign up bonus, but with Creation Rewards it's $10. Creation Rewards have been around since the year 2000 and they have been going strong for 22 years. And with this app, you can actually get paid to do surveys, watch videos, visit websites, purchase online, and complete offers. In addition to this, they also have a very generous referral program, where you can get paid to refer friends and family to use the app. Even though there are a number of different ways to make money with this app, I stick to watching videos and visiting websites, as this is what I prefer to do. But to be honest, all the tasks are very easy to do, and if you did want to do some other tasks to make even more money, then there is nothing stopping you. One thing I would like to say though is to avoid these surveys on this particular app, as the payouts for these are really not that much, and some of them can take a long time to complete. So instead of doing that, focus on watching videos and completing the various offers related to browsing websites. So when you go into your account, you will see on the left hand side there are things you can do like watch and explore, do surveys, download apps, refer friends, and so on and so forth. Now what's really great is there are so many different companies who will pay you to watch videos, and there are a lot of different big and famous companies all in one single app. And another thing that I want to talk about that is really great about this app is you'll see something called the daily rewards, which is right here on the top. So make sure you click on that to claim your daily reward, because they do give you a bonus extra money every day you log into your account. So do make sure you log in every day so you can claim your daily reward. Also, if you do this for 30 days in a row for a month and click on it every day, they'll actually unlock more videos for you, which in turn is going to allow you to earn even more bonus money. Now, I do have another method to make money online just by simply typing. So if you want to check that out, then make sure you do click the video that pops up on screen now. And if you did enjoy this video today, please take a moment to like this video and make sure you do subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. If you have any further questions at all, feel free to comment down below. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.